chart is a very useful feature for TeacherAid Pro. It's available for the first class in the free version, and if you have a subscription, it's available for all classes. To access the seating chart, tap on the seating icon here. And initially, the students are all placed on top of each other. Simply drag and drop the students where you'd like them. While this is the simplest way, if you teach multiple classes, there's also another way where you can design your class template, and then it's very easy to seat the students. I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so once every student is in place, it's very easy to randomly reassign the students. You can simply tap the refresh icon on the top right, select random order, and the students will be replaced in a different order. And then you can drag and drop students if you need to change them. Let me show you the seating template. If you'd like to use that, tap on the edit icon on the top right. And you have a choice of up to 2 templates if you have different configurations for your class. Select the total number of seats in your class. I'll just choose 14 for now. They appear here. And then drag them around. The numbers represent how the seats will be filled when you seat them randomly. So choose the numbers wisely so that way it makes sense for your classroom. I will go ahead and just do it like this. Maybe put them in groups of 2. I'm going to do it fairly quickly, but you get the idea. And then maybe, how's that? Let's move these a bit further out. All right, let's keep it like that. So if you need to remove a seat, just tap on a seat, click remove. If you need to add another one, tap on the +1 here, and you can add a seat. All right, now if I come back to my class, to show the template, tap on the settings icon, choose template, and we're going to show template 1. And now you can easily tap on any seat and select a student to move there, Jeremy Banks, and boom, they're there. You could drag a student, though that can be a little bit time consuming. And if you just want to fill the seats, go back to your refresh icon. And now you have an option of by last name or random order. I'm going to choose last name. And there you go, it's filled the students in the seats based on the number from the templates. And then you can always move students around if necessary. All right, now for the top here, the very left icon there means just looking at the students with their photos and no attendance or grades. It's great to generate a seating chart for a substitute teacher by hitting the PDF button here. The check mark at the top option here is for attendance. Here you can see the current attendance selected. You can tap that to change to a different attendance. And it's very easy. Simply tap any student and you can change their attendance very easily. And lastly, the A+ icon is for grades. This is the current assignment selected. You can select a different assignment. And again, simply tap any student. It'll bring up the grading box where you can add comments and give the student that grade. Lastly, there's also the random student selector. If you tap the question mark icon,
Patrick Rizzo.
Any student will be randomly selected. And then lastly, again, in the settings here, there's also an option to hide photos if you don't use the student photos. So the seating chart can be a powerful way of keeping track of students, their assignments, and attendance very easily. And if you do have the subscription, you can tap on class here and easily switch between different seating charts. I hope you find this feature very useful. Enjoy.